Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Sachin Nikam. Today I am talking about the subject human anatomy and physiology. We are talking about human digestive system. The digestive system starts from the mouth where the food is taken into our teeth, where the teeth break down the food and the saliva is mixed into the food. The saliva is produced from the salivary glands that are equipped with amylase and lipase, where the amylase helps in our food to break down the carbohydrates, and the lipase helps to break down the fats. And also the saliva that is mixed with the food helps the food to get swallow for easier swallowing. After the food is chewed, the food is transported to our larynx. Means the larynx is connected to esophagus and esophagus is connected to stomach. These are the tubes. The larynx prevents the food from going into the windpipe, means our breathing tube, where alimentary canal is only used for food and drinking water. And after that the food is transported to the transported to esophagus, and after that it transported to the stomach, where the stomach is equipped with HCl, hydrochloric acid, the hydrochloric acid that helps to break down the food into chemical reactions to more smaller particles. Also, our stomach is equipped with the lining of mucus layer that prevents our stomach from tearing down with the higher concentrations of hydrochloric acid. After digesting the food in the stomach, the food gets into our small intestine. The small intestine are used for the small intestine are consist of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. These are the tubes present in our small intestine. The small intestine, after the food travels to the small intestine, vitamins, minerals, fats, and other essential materials are extracted from the food and transported to our body. After food from the small intestine, food goes to our large intestine, where there are four sections of large intestine. The four sections of large intestine are called columns. The columns are ascending column, transverse column, and descending column and sigmoid column, where the moisture from the food gets absorbed, and the last process of that comes where the food gets eliminated out of the body from the uh, anal cavity. These are the simple explanation of digesting food. Also, there are many parts that are helps to digest our food, like liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The liver that secretes digestive juices to help digest our food. The gallbladder secretes bile juice to digest the food even easier, and our gallbladder also helps the food to digest. See, there are two types of processes: chemical digestion and mechanical digestion. The mechanical digestion is done in our mechanical process of digestion is done in our mouth, where teeth are involved to help the food gets into smaller particles. Means when you take intake your food, teeth are used to chew the food into very small particles, and after that the food transported into the stomach, where the HCl, the chemical process used to break down the food into even more smaller particles, mean like a semi-solid process, where the food is very in semi-solid process, semi-solid form. It's easier to extract essential materials like vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, carbohydrates from the food. Extracting is very simple. After that, the food is transported into our small intestine, in our large intestine, and then secreted out in hard form. Uh, Also, the carbohydrates that are extracted from the food are stored out in our body, uh, and after that the food is eliminated out of our body. Also, the proteins are help to build our muscles and uh, for our strength. Also, the calcium from the food helps to uh, keep our bones healthy, and also that drinking water also is essential for our body to keep our body hydrated, and after that this is the digestive process. Thank you.